Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT T-Rex 3 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to stop the workout on this watch. So first let's start the workout quickly. Okay, and let's say you have a workout going and you want to stop it. To do it, you can press the select button to pause the workout, then double tap on the screen to unlock the touchscreen, and now you can tap on the finish button, and here you can either save or not save the data.
Workout completed.
And once you finish the workout,
Congratulations. You set a new personal record. Take a break.
you will have the
You earned it. During this
evaluation.
workout, distance 0 kilometers. Average speed 0 kilometers per hour. Workout duration 5 seconds. Total ascent was 0 meters. Total descent was 0 meters.
Okay, I think it's done. That's a lot of zeros, and apparently that's my personal best, which is amazing. And here you can also check the data by swiping left and right on the screen, and also up and down. And once you're done, you can press the back button to go back to watch face. And that's how you stop the workout on this watch. Before we go though, one thing to mention, you can also check the workout data in the app if your watch is paired with a phone. You should get the notification and that the new workout was synced to the app. And you can tap on workout right here in the app, and here we have our workouts, and you can tap on them to see the data about the workout. Okay, and that's about all. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.